Hello, my fellow makeup enthusiasts. Okay, so I started my makeup use disorder series and then I just ghosted. If you follow me on Instagram, you know what's going on. There are some things going on in my real life that are extremely important, and so I did have to step back from YouTube for just a couple of days. Everything seems to be kind of evening out, so I'm back and I'm going to talk about some more makeup use disorder stuff. Now, I had a nice, neat outline all planned out for this video series, and that just went out the window because yesterday I found myself binge watching mystery box unboxings, specifically the Jeffree Star mystery box holiday unboxings, and I had fun doing that. And that got me thinking about mystery boxes and subscription boxes, and that fits very neatly into the makeup use disorder series. So that's what I'm going to talk about today. I love watching unboxing videos. I think a lot of us do. I started out doing unboxing videos. I think a lot of us who have YouTube channels started out doing unboxing videos. They're easy to do, the content is already there, plus you kind of feel like you're playing. It goes back to the need to belong. You watch the unboxing videos, you think it looks like fun, you get yourself a subscription or a mystery box, you do your own video, you feel like you're part of something, and it's exciting, it's fun. But I want to know what keeps people coming back when most subscription boxes and most mystery boxes suck. So a lot of times for me, I like to live vicariously through the unboxer, especially if he or she is somebody that I know and like. I like to share in the enthusiasm. I like to share in the anticipation, in that, what am I gonna get this month? I love that. And even if I'm watching the video going, I would hate that, I would hate that, I would hate that, if the person doing the video is excited, I like to share in that enthusiasm. But let's stop talking about the subscriptions and talk about the mysteries. Now, I have been, as I said, binge watching the Jeffree Star mystery box unboxings. And do I regret not getting one myself? No, I don't. Even though a couple of the items I'm thinking, wow, that would be cool to get in a box. But say like the blue blood palette and the thirsty palette were both palettes that I thought were really cool when they came out, but I didn't get them. Was it because I snoozed and I lost and I missed out? No, I deliberately didn't get them because I didn't really feel like they would be something that I would use that much. So if I didn't get them, and I got them in a mystery box, it would be kind of like if somebody gave it to me as a gift. I wouldn't be upset. I wouldn't be like, why the fuck did you get me this? I'd be like, okay, cool. Yeah, I looked at this. I thought it looked kind of cool, but I didn't get it. I wouldn't say that. So everything else would be just kind of like, meh, a lot of lipstick shades that I wouldn't wear, a lot of highlighters that would be too dark for me, but I loved watching the unboxings. Now let's talk about gifts because I mentioned that. Whenever I get a box, usually a subscription box, but sometimes a mystery box, and it is just garbage in my opinion. For me, it's garbage. I'm thinking to myself, this is like getting a really bad Christmas present. And the unboxing video itself is either you faking it for the camera, so the camera is the person that gave you the crappy gift and you're like, oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, a nude lipstick. I love this. Oh my gosh, oh, I love skincare. Oh, I'm gonna put this on tonight. I can't wait. Or the camera is your inner monologue and you can get real snarky about it, which can be funny, but again, that's what you signed up for. You're gonna get some really good stuff, maybe, but you're also gonna get some crap. And a lot of people acknowledge that, but a lot of people get really snarky about it, and quite frankly, I don't judge that. I'm like, girl, I'd hate that too. Oh, and I do apologize for the noise in the background. The heater is on. It is finally cold outside. Yesterday it was 80 degrees outside. Now it's freezing. And if it were just me, I would turn it off so that the noise wouldn't be on. But I have a family member downstairs recovering from surgery and she's cold. And so I am not going to be a selfish bitch and turn the heat off so that I can make my video. I'm sure that you guys understand. And in case you're wondering, what subscription boxes do I have? I have Meow Box. That's for my cats, and they absolutely love it. What subscription boxes have I had in the past? I've had Ipsy. I canceled that. I think I got one item ever that I really liked in an Ipsy bag, and that was the Too Faced Chocolat Soleil something ever, the chocolatey bronzer. I loved that, and Ipsy introduced me to that. Thank you, Ipsy. Everything else was garbage. I had Birchbox for quite a while. I had Birchbox for a little over a year. What did I find in Birchbox that was good? Bupkis. Absolute bupkis. However, on the Birchbox website, I did find some really good shampoo, but they never sent that to me in an actual box. They sent me absolute crap shampoo in a box, even though I filled out the little survey. Okay, this is what pisses me off about a lot of subscription boxes. They give you a survey. They ask you your skin tone, your skin concerns, your skin type. They ask you your hair type, your hair color, what kinds of makeup you like, what kinds of colors you like, and then they ignore the ever-living fuck out of everything you say. I told Birchbox that I have thick, coarse, color-treated hair. What do they send me? Volumizing shampoo. What the fuck? So let's simmer back down. What else have I had in the past? I had BoxyCharm for 2 months. I liked nothing from BoxyCharm. And let's take this opportunity to talk about value and full-size products. I'm asking, do you appreciate a box with a higher monetary value? Because I personally don't give a rat's badonkadonk. I don't care what the actual monetary value is. If you send me a box that is worth $300 and every product in that box is something that's either going to break me out, that I'm not going to wear, that's going to take up space on my shelf, or that I'm going to have to give away to a friend or throw in the fucking garbage, that is not worth $300. I don't care if I paid $15 for $300 worth of crap, it's still crap, even if it's $300. And then what about full-size products? A lot of people really appreciate full-size products. I guess that makes sense on some level, but I personally hate getting full-size products in subscription boxes. Now, mystery boxes, if it's from a makeup company that I tend to like, yes, okay. Full-size products, okay, good. But in subscription boxes like BoxyCharm, one of their big selling points is that they give you full-size products. That's useless if they're full-size bottles of crap. So I don't like it. I would prefer getting a deluxe sample or even a small sample size so that I can try it. I can decide whether I want to get it or not. And then I don't mind spending the money on a full-size product, my money on a full-size product, if it's good. But usually the things that I get in subscription boxes are not good. And so BoxyCharm was just a total fail for me. What else did I have? Sephora Play was one that I had for about 6 months. I believe my very first YouTube video was a Sephora Play unboxing. And I found a good mascara in that box. I found 2 good moisturizers in that box. And everything else was hot garbage. So I ended up canceling it. Now, something new that I am getting that will be in an upcoming video is the Tribe Beauty Box. Why did I get this? Well, if you know Angelica, which if you don't, what are you doing with your life? She's amazing. I will link her channel down below. She curated the December Tribe Beauty Box, and I love her makeup style. I love her makeup taste. She has very similar taste to mine, and so she did a video showing all of the products that she put in that box, and I was like, check, yep, want it, check, definitely, maybe, but I think it was like 4 definitelys and 1 maybe, so I went ahead and ordered that. I did not subscribe to the Tribe Beauty Box. I just got the December box, but I'm excited about it. Everything looks gorgeous. I wish that you could preview every box and decide for yourself if you wanted to get it or skip it that month. That might be something that brands could consider doing, because I would resubscribe to a lot of different boxes if I had the option of previewing what I'm getting and saying yay or nay. But that's probably too much work. That's probably too much to ask. I'm probably just not the right kind of customer for a subscription box because I am picky as hell. I love makeup, but only certain makeup. It's like the way I geek. I geek very differently. I am a massive flaming geek about the things that I love, but there are other geeky things that you would think I would love that I'm like, like comic books and Star Wars. I'm not that into that stuff. I don't hate it, but I'm just not that into it. And I have been dumped. Literally, did I overuse that word? I mean, broken up with. Relationship over. You are not what I thought you were. Goodbye. By seemingly intelligent, lovely men because I wasn't that into Star Wars or I didn't read superhero comic books. Now, I do read graphic novels, but I'm not super into superheroes. And so apparently I'm not the right kind of geek. So I guess maybe I'm not the right kind of makeup geek. I only like the things that I like, but the things that I do like, I'm fucking obsessed with. Enough about my pathetic love life. Please don't worry about me. Those guys weren't worth it, and I'm actually very, very happy being single. Let's get back on the subject of makeup. And the thing that I really wanted to talk about in this video is kind of a preview for an upcoming video. That is the Beautylish Lucky Bag. So the Beautylish Lucky Bag was my first successful video. It wasn't the unboxing itself. It was a wish list. I did a wish list. What I'm hoping will be in my lucky bag. I did one in 2017 and I did one in 2018. And I think that those two videos are my most viewed videos on this channel. And they were really fun to do. Did the bags live up to the wish list? Hell no. The first lucky bag I got was pretty good, and there are still a couple of products in it that I use that I probably need to replace because they're probably expired. But I was really excited when I did the unboxing. I think that that was more because I was coming home from a really fun road trip, and I think I was still kind of high off of the road trip. It wasn't so much about the lucky bag, but it was a little bit about the lucky bag because the first one was actually good. The second one sucked a bag of dicks. And so this year, I made my own. And this is where I stand on mystery boxes, subscription boxes, lucky bags, unlucky bags in most cases, all of that shit. I feel like if I'm in the mood to buy makeup, I'm gonna get on the website and I'm gonna buy the items that interest me. I will take the monetary value of the subscription box or the mystery bag or whatever, and I will buy the things that I want. And that's what I did this year. Instead of buying a lucky bag on Beautylish, I just placed an order and it ended up being a little over $250. So that is the monetary value of the regular lucky bag. But I got all stuff that I actually wanted. And so I will be doing a Laney bag unboxing in the near future. But if you like to be surprised, if you like the anticipation, I get that. I think that that can be kind of addictive. And is it healthy? Is it unhealthy? I don't fucking know. I mean, I know you're thinking you're a shrink. You should know. No, I shouldn't, because I don't know what's healthy and unhealthy for you. Only you know what is a problem for you. If you feel like it's a problem, it's probably a problem. If you feel like you're fine with it, you've got the room for it, you don't mind throwing things in the garbage or pawning things off on your friends, you just like the anticipation, the excitement, that's worth $20 a month for you, keep doing it. It's not for me because the disappointment ended up being too disappointing for me. And so I canceled all of that. I'm not even doing the lucky bag this year. I am doing the Laney bag. So stay tuned for that. But let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on mystery boxes, on the Beautylish lucky bag, on subscription boxes. Which ones have you had? Do you still have them? Why do you like them? If you are thinking about canceling, why are you thinking about canceling? What are some good ones that maybe I haven't heard of? I'm probably not gonna try try them, if I'm being perfectly honest, but I just want to hear your thoughts, or maybe you thought of something that I didn't even think of. So let me know down below. I love interacting with you guys. I love hearing from you guys, and I suppose that on the outro, I get tongue-tied. I suppose that wraps it up for today. As always, thank you so very much for joining me. Follow me on Instagram. I will follow you back. Throw me a pity like, give me some encouragement to make some more videos. Very special shout out to you if you are watching this video on the toilet. And until next time, enjoy your joy responsibly. And the next video, if it's not an unboxing, ironically, it will be one of my planned makeup use disorders. Jeez, I need some caffeine. Makeup use disorder videos. So I will see you then.